This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. Set brass and nickel spur grommets using the W-1 hand press. Sailrite carries a variety of different spur grommet die and hole cutter sets that go along with the W-1 hand press. Spur grommets have metal spurs on the inside of the rim so they won't easily pull out or spin in the fabric of your application, resulting in a longer lasting attachment. Each W-1 hand press spur grommet die and hole cutter set contains 3 dies that both cut the hole and set your spur grommets. In this video, we will quickly show how to set spur grommets using the W-1 hand press spur grommet die set and hole cutter. First, we will need to remove the upper head of the hand press and remove the nylon cutting block in order to install the hole cutter. The hole cutter screws into the top of the upper head. Once installed, place the nylon cutting block back on the tool's base. We are now ready to cut holes in our fabric. Simply depress the lever and let the hand press do the work. The W-1 makes cutting holes easy. After our holes are cut, Bill is ready to install the setting dies. Remove the nylon cutting block and unscrew the hole cutter from the top of the W-1. Install the upper die into the top of the press and the lower die in the base of the press, as they are here. Tighten down the lower die with an Allen wrench on the side of the hand press. Doing this ensures the lower die won't move during the installation process. Bill will now take the female portion of the grommet with the spurs and place it on the lower die. And take the male portion of the grommet and place it through the hole of our fabric. He will then put the male portion of the grommet on top of the lower die and female portion of the grommet. Once in place, depress the lever and your grommet is set. You can see here that Bill's grommet isn't set all the way, so he will place it back on the hand press and give it another firm press. When setting grommets, it's always good to get a feel for how much pressure should be applied. We will now install another spur grommet in the exact same process as before. You can see how fast the W-1 hand press is when coupled with the spur grommet die and hole cutter sets. Sailrite carries a variety of different W-1 hand press spur grommet die and hole cutter set sizes. Sailrite also carries a variety of nickel and brass spur grommet sizes for your next DIY project. Speed up production and increase accuracy using the W-1 hand press spur grommet die set and hole cutter. If you have any questions about this process or any of these products, feel free to contact Sailrite. Thanks for watching.